solve problem number 2. We have to solve for the derivative with respect to x of y is equal to quantity 3x squared plus 5x plus 1 raised to 4. Now, as we do chain rule of differentiation, kailangan nating ma-determine ano ba yung inner function natin, ano yung outer function natin. In this case, ang inner function natin is 3x squared plus 5x plus 1. Kaya ang gagawin natin, we let the inner function be equal to g of x. We consider our inner function as a single function. Ngayon, nagawa na natin yun, we can apply our chain rule of differentiation. Para magawa yun, following our chain rule, kinukuha natin yung derivative ng ating outer function. To do that, tignan natin itong given natin, we will be applying our power rule of differentiation. We treat the inner function as a single function, kaya applicable na si power rule. Ang gagawin natin, itong buong to, this is raised to 4, applying power rule, ibababa na natin yung ating exponent. Here, tapos, we retain our inner function as per the rule, tapos bawasan natin ng isa si exponent. That is again applying power rule of differentiation, kaya siya naging 3. Now we are done with our outer function. Proceed ngayon tayo sa ating inner function. Kailangan nating kunin ang derivative ng ating g of x, i-multiply natin dito sa part ng ating outer function. Now, we have our 3. And then, for our x squared, ibababa natin yung exponent na 2, kaya siya nandito. And then, bawasan natin ng isa sa exponent, 2 minus 1, kaya siya naging x. And then, 5 times x, ang derivative ng x is just equal to 1, plus derivative of a constant that is equal to 0. Now, we are done with the chain rule part. Again, derivative of the outer function, while retaining the inner function, kailangan hindi nagbabago sa ating inner function times the derivative of our inner function. Now, let us proceed with our simplification. This is 3 times 2. This is 6x plus 5. Kaya siya naging 6x plus 5. Then, let us rearrange. Since multiplication naman to, this is commutative. Then, this is 4 times 6x plus 5 times eto. Now, we will be multiplying 4 times 6x, this is equal to 24x, 4 times 5, that is 20. And this is our final answer. And warning, huwag niyong kakalimutan si grouping symbol. Kasi pag tinanggal niyo si grouping symbol as you multiply, ang magiging implication nun, si 20 lang ang imumultiply natin dito sa mahabang terms na to. Pero, in that case, nagkakamali tayo kasi kailangan natin itong buong terms na to ang imumultiply dito. So, we have to be careful with our grouping symbol. So, konting warning lang, and that's it for our solve problem number 2.